I just wanted to be known that I legit would bake 1,465 muffins to feed every single one of my subscribers. The effect means so much to me. I'm teary-eyed, but yeah. ThandiEffect, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Thandi and welcome. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your post notification bell so you do not miss a single notification from me. There's someone that once tweeted that people who bake things for their loved ones are literally so cute. Like, your idea of doing something to spend time is to bake sweet things for your loved ones. I actually really just thought that. I really love to bake, and to show my appreciation, I really would, for real, spend time baking 1,465 muffins for every single one of y'all. That's just what it is. I know in the comment section of the previous video that I did, the hair video, some of you are commenting that, yo sis, you literally just dropped us in the middle of October and you went MIA. I'm so sorry for that. This year, I want to be serious. I really want to be consistent. I'm not gonna play games. Come hell, come thunder. If I'm ill, you guys will see me in front of this camera, child. I will make time and I will sit in front of this camera. Whether we're vlogging, whether we're doing whatever, like, it's gonna happen. You're gonna get this content, child. Because, like, my thing is, I didn't want to just give out quantity, you know, like pushing content, push, when I'm not feeling 100%. Like, whether it was health or whether I was under pressure with different things. And also, guys, let me just say, I did think about y'all a lot. And there were times that I would do things, especially in the last year, I would literally vlog the whole day or the whole weekend, whatever. And then when I watch the video, I'm like, nah, this is not up to par. Y'all know I just got married and, you know, I'm literally adjusting to all of that. Like, we're all learning in this life thing. Literally every single day will bring its own challenges, whether you're single, starting a new job, just got married, just had kids. Like, life, just a never-ending experience. Like, you learn so many things. And 2021 was just full of lessons, guys. I lost so many people, family and friends, and yeah, it was just a span. But you know what? I just realized that these are all part of growing pains. You just have to take it one step at a time. And don't let that stop you from, you know, doing other things. Don't let that hinder you from carrying on with life. I know you're sad, it's okay. You can feel everything, but don't then stop living. Do you get what I mean? Like, am I making sense? I know I'm making sense to somebody. Like, please just, yeah. I know I'm making sense. Always remember to be kind. Always remember to be polite. If you do something wrong to somebody, be quick to say sorry. There are 4 words in this world that I realize will literally get you places in this life. Please, sorry, thank you. Yo, those 4 words, magic. This should just come out so freely. You don't have to sometimes explain your side of the story. Just say sorry, you know? You know, the fact that you hurt someone's feelings, like, life is just too short. Ooh, sorry, I almost dropped my muffin. Life is too short, okay? It's literally, there's no need to spend too much time thinking, this person did this and that to me. Or, oh my gosh, I did that to this person, I feel horrible. Apologize. Then you won't have to feel all those feelings of guilt, you know, regret. Those are all feelings that we are not taking into this new year. Take your time. You will literally start a business at 35. I saw someone post this today and I was like, you're spitting. You are spitting. You will literally start a business at 35, fail at 36, start again at 40 and still succeed. I always love watching people's statuses because I get so much inspiration, whether it's Bible verses or inspirational quotes or just funny, entertaining content. I just love consuming content. I was always thinking too much, like, what if the effects don't like this? Yo, you guys are literally taking your time, your data, most importantly, your time, to sit and watch what I'm doing. I need to produce content. Like, that's the least I can do. Work on your craft. Take your time. Don't feel rushed. Don't let society rush you. I always say this to all my friends and everybody who cares to listen. Take your time. I know you guys are like, yo, sis, you took so long, but sometimes I'm just not like mentally there. I don't want to sit in front of a camera and say, like, it just takes a lot to even sit here and speak. And yeah, like, you need to be in the right frame of mind. I feel like same applies to every single work we're gonna be doing, guys. Like, in this new year, I know we're beginning the year and stuff like that. This is when you're saying, you know what, I want to start eating healthy. I want to start doing that hobby that I've been putting off for the last 2 years. Guilty as charged, yes. I've been saying, yo, I want to do my hair journey, natural hair journey. Beginning of 2020, guys. It's now 2022. Where's the hair journey? Ask me. I don't even have the answer. This is the year to start doing those things. This is literally a pep talk to myself as well, because I believe this YouTube channel is like my diary that you guys also get to. You get what I mean? Like a visual diary, visual journal. What if it doesn't work out? What if it actually does work out? What if the content is great? What if people actually love what you're doing? What if you actually help someone, you know, by taking that leap of faith? What if, let's turn those negative what ifs into positives. What if it actually works out? Don't spend too much time thinking about negatives. I remember there's a book that I recommended, Think and Grow Rich by Dr. Napoleon Hill. And at the end of the book, he put like 6 fears that you should not even tolerate in your life. I just feel like those things just hinder you. The mind is a very powerful thing. If you think, I'm not gonna succeed. Oh yeah, I wanna start a YouTube channel, but what if I'm not good? What if, you know, people don't like my content? What if we do? I'm just gonna keep repeating this because I know somebody needs to hear this. You know, your tribe will find you. You will never be alone. What you're experiencing, someone's already experienced. All the new things that you're seeing, everything has already been invented that can possibly be. But how are you going to change this thing into something that's unique, something that is more you? Like, you get what I mean? Growing up, there was this magazine that my gogo would subscribe to. I remember it was Edgar's. I loved reading the fashion segments and stuff like that, but at the very end there was this segment called Auntie Thandi. Basically, people would write in with their problems that they're having, and Auntie Thandi would literally give them solutions to their problems. You get what I mean? And I feel like I'm you guys' Auntie Thandi to some extent, right? I just want to do more of that. Just being a ray of sunlight in someone's life. Just being that person that people are comfortable to talk to, and, you know, they won't hear their stories being discussed in the next room. You get what I mean? Like, I just want to work on being the best version of myself. No more doubting myself. All these things that give me anxiety, I'm tired. If I go into a supermarket with those high roofs and the tall aisles, what are they going to do to me? Absolutely nothing. There are millions of people going to that same supermarket and nothing has happened to them. I want to push myself this year to actually just do more of the things that scare me, you know, because life is short, man. Like, just go out there and do it. Just go out and be your best self. Do the absolute most and apply yourself to the fullest. Everything else will follow. I actually wanted to do this video beginning of this year, but then I was like, almost everybody will probably do the visual board thing. Almost everybody will do things we're leaving in 2021. I feel like I've been doing that with a lot of things in life. Oh, but then that person's already done it and they're really good at it. Just go for it. Your touch into every single thing is also great. So here I am. The second sit down video of the year is a, you know, what we're taking into this new year video, which is really great, and the things that we left. Bad energy, bad vibes, gone. Done. Also, I just want to say, no more unrequited love. Don't force. All those friends that you keep texting and they don't text back, the lover that you keep forcing but they're not doing the bare minimum, and you're always crying. Why are you crying? Life is short. There are millions of people that will literally love you. Why are you forcing things? And it's not even just about like human relationships. Like, adult relationships are very, very hectic. With everything else in life, like, don't force, you know? Sometimes I feel like some of these things just don't work out just to push you towards what's really meant for you. So you should just pray for the spirit of discernment, bruh, and just pray for wisdom from God to see. I remember one of the verses of today. No, I don't want to look at it. I want to jog my memory. Guys, I just turned 27. I refuse to think that my memory is bad already. No, I'm still too young for that. It was something about faith. Was it Matthew? Or was it Psalms? No, the Psalms one. That was Psalms 131. And it was talking about, may everything that I speak from my mouth please you, Lord. That was Psalm 131. So it's definitely not the verse I'm thinking of. But the verse that I want to tell you guys about, it's in Matthew chapter 11. Yes. And it was talking... No! Oh, I'm so ashamed. Let me tell you guys, when I was little, I would spit Bible verses like I was the king at this. But nah, I refuse to be defeated right now. The verse that I want to tell you about is James chapter 1, verse 5, I think. Yo, guys, it'll be so embarrassing if after this video I go back and I see it's not the one. Yo. But I think it was either James chapter 1, verse 5, or it was in Matthew chapter 11. One of the two. I know I'm right between one of the two. I'll read it again so that it's like embedded in my memory. But basically, yes, it's actually James chapter 1, verse 5. Basically, God was telling us that pray for wisdom from me. If you like it, pray for wisdom from me and I will give it to you, right? And I just feel like it's a snapping moment right there. If you have doubts about something, just pray. Literally, answers will come to you. I have noticed that happening in my own life. Like, I can think about something right now and I'm like, I don't know how to, bake a cake, let's just say, for example. And by the end of the day, it's either someone, or I see an article on the internet, or someone that I love who just literally start talking about that exact same thing, how to bake a cake. I don't know how it happens. And that's what I'm saying. Like, we are energy. Human beings are energy in motion. Whatever you put it out into the universe, it will literally come back to you. So if you think bad things, don't be surprised. You are literally stopping your own blessing from coming. When you're thinking, man, I really wanted to apply to the university, but I don't know if they're going to accept me. What if they do? I'm going to keep repeating it. What if it actually works for the better? What if it actually works for the best? I think good vibes, good energy out here. I think I'm at the end of my rant. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Yeah. Do let me know how you guys feel. What are your thoughts going into this new year? What you learned from last year? Where are you at mentally? Are you guys doing okay? I'd already tried like most of this before the video even started.